We welcome you today's program. Today we will be addressing you on literary tradition of maritime practices. Though the term may look very wider, we confine it to one classic literature in Tamil known as Thirukkural, which is called Book of Books. It's a very rich treasury. It addresses all aspects: ethics, economics, space, nuclear science, etc. Along with that, it also addresses about oceanography, maritime, naval, navy, everything. So, we have picked up a few couplets for your understanding, to understand about the maritime studies, marine science, navy, whatever you call it actually, or oceanography, whatever you call it actually. So, we can say simply Thirukkural and Oceans. Now, in the very beginning, in the very first chapter, known as Kadavul Varthu, they call it praising of Almighty. In English, we call it actually. In the first chapter, there are two kurals, couplet number 8 and couplet number 10. He uses two different terminology to denote ocean and sea. Sea in Tamil we call it Kadal, ocean in Tamil we call it Ari. So, this distinction has been made in this particular kural is concerned. Kural number 8 starts with Aravari Andanal Tarsendar Alal Piravari Neendal Aridu. That means those who are able to travel, swim across the ethical ocean can easily cross this valley ocean. Therefore, they can reach the Almighty feet safely. Another one is called Piravi Perungadal Neenduvar Neendar Iraivan Adi Seeradar. Now, see, in the earlier kural, he uses the term sea, that is Kadal, Ari. But in the later kural, he uses the term Perungadal, that means deep ocean, largest ocean. Today we call it Pacific as the largest ocean. But this sort of knowledge is existing around 2000 plus years ago, and this has been recorded in this particular kural. He is able to distinguish between the ordinary sea and the deep ocean is concerned, the large ocean is concerned. This is the evidence in the literature is concerned. The next one has a great interesting fact. This is talking about strategies. Today we call it choke points, Malacca, no, this South China Sea, all these issues you would have come across. Why this is? Because it is having strategic importance. Strategic importance because of economics, because of military, because of commercial and other aspects. So, this issue is addressing how one should strategically place certain concepts so as to win the war or win the objectives is concerned, successfully reach the objectives is concerned. Kural number 496, it says, Kadal Oda Kalval Nedunderum, Kadal Odum Navai Oda Nilatte. However, the large chariot, it may be effective chariot, it may be gigantic, it may be with art of technology, it cannot travel or it cannot run in the ocean. On the other hand, however, the gigantic ship with the with modern technology, art of technology, it cannot function in the land-based resources. So, one has to choose what has to be used in which occasion and which site. The strategic importance of the locations and the utilization of those resources has been successfully addressed in this particular kural is concerned. Besides which, kural number 13, couplet number 13 and couplet number 17 is also very, very important. One says, Vinnindri Poipin, it starts with Vinnindri Poipin. If there is no rain in the world, okay, though the world has, see, there is a great science. Only 1/3 of the world is land, remaining 75% is covered by ocean, sea water, coastal water. This has been successfully recorded. Though we have more than 75% of the coastal water, if there is no rain, there will be huge famine and large scarcity will be there because of lack of rain. So, with the usage of coastal water, you can't use anything unless you have the rain water or fresh water. Today, It is applicable even to the climate change, ocean acidification, all these things. And one more couplet, that is couplet number 17, Nedungadal near Kenmai, it starts with that. That means, though generally water, the salt water is getting evaporated, then it is getting cloud format, it is condensed, thereafter the rain comes. If there is no rain comes, okay, this sea itself may base drought, and sea itself may change its course, and you may find dried seas. See how much it is climate change oriented today. So today we are facing the issues of climate change because of the lack of rain, lack of fresh water, all these things. So he has rightly addressed all these things. So sustainable use, sustainable usage of the ocean, sustainable use of the rainwater, all these things are addressed. Today it is formulated in the environmental law and UNCLOS, and this is what the message what we are getting from the Thirukkural. We hope this is useful to the entire humanity across the globe. Thank you.